Alright, so we got all of our parts here. We got our bumpers over here, intake boot, another bumper, impulse lines over here, fuel cap. So now we're going to start putting her back together. Alright guys, so we got the rotating assembly right here. We got the top end. First we're going to put the piston and the top end assembly in the top end, and then put the bottom on, RTV it. So alright guys, so we got that back in, got the piston in the bore. She spins really good. So next we're going to get some two-stroke oil, lube up the bearings a little bit, and then we're going to put the bottom on. Alright guys, I just lubed up these bearings. Now we're going to put these crank seals on. And we're going to take a little dab of oil, put it on the inside so it doesn't start up dry. Got all these mating surfaces all cleaned up. Use a little brake clean. I got some orange RTV on the bottom cover. Now we're going to put this on there. And then after we put this on there, we will get the engine on the body. Times they come sometimes, but you in the door. Without a bag of plans, why couldn't I see the lights much longer before? You killed a sweet romance, you've been playing charades since so long ago. I should have known my love check would return. Now the circle is broken and the bridge is burned. People keep telling me, they say, listen man, you don't need her. I don't need her. She's a gold digging gal, she's alpha number one. You don't need her. She's a free bleeder. Alright guys, so you just saw I got the engine on. We got that all bolted in there. Now I'm getting to putting the oil pump on, and then we're gonna start getting the clutch on and start working our way up. Leave the love line here alone and make such a mess. Your sin is still in my room. You crushed my heart for the last time that you didn't guess. I was already through happy trails and a sweet goodbye and adios. May your fortune be well. Sympathy lies with the next guy who plays your host, buying the things you say. So we're getting this on here right now. I just put on the coil and wiring. Pretty much just the ground that goes behind here, and then you have ground that I'm pretty sure goes there, connection there, then you got all these wires going up to the top for the on-off.
Charades, so long ago, I should have known my love check would return. Now the circle is.
Alright guys, so I just got the intake boot on. We're going to throw this top cover on there with the handle assembly. Going to throw that on there and then start get these wires all situated where they need to go in there, and get the fuel line and the impulse line all hooked up. Alright guys, so now we're going to get the carb on. So I just got the carb assembly on there, and the on-off choke. All that's working good. We're going to next get the pull start assembly on there, and then spark plug, air filter, and barn chain, and barn chain cover over there.
Then we're gonna put some fuel in her and see if she'll start up. All right, guys. So just got the cover on. She turns over really well. Just did a compression test on her, and I got 125 psi, which is pretty decent from my readings and everything. So we're gonna get the rest of the stuff bolted on. Get all this stuff bolted on. Get the muffler bolted on, and then we're gonna start this bad boy. Starting to get excited. So stay tuned.
You don't need her. She's a free bleeder. She's a free bleeder now.
Alright guys, so before I start it up and put the rest together, I want to make sure I have spark. So I've got the spark plug right here. This wire goes to ground, just the engine ground, so the engine block. And we're going to turn her over and see if we get any spark. I just want to do this first so we can rule that out of the equation if it decides not to start. Alright guys, so I just got the MS-290 fueled up. It's probably going to take a long couple pulls to get the fuel going through her. But, moment of truth, we're going to try starting her up for the first time. So, this is either going to go really good or really bad. Let's find out.
And the bridges burn. People keep